At US Metal Crafters, finishing isn't an afterthought. It's an engineered process. From edge prep to powder coat, we finish strong. Deburring and grinding are critical to part fit, safety, and finish. We remove burrs, smooth edges, and prep every surface before the powder ever touches it. Our in-house powder coating line delivers consistent, durable finishes, protecting your parts from corrosion, wear, and environmental damage. Because it's all done here, cutting, grinding, coating, you avoid bottlenecks and lost time with third-party vendors. Our finishes don't just look great, they perform. We also offer light assembly and kitting, so your parts arrive ready for production. USMC delivers fully finished, production-ready components with all the finishing touches your customers expect.